Have you ever heard of Shazam? No, not that Shazam, this Shazam. The app Apple bought for just about $400 million. The app, which was downloaded over 1 billion times, has over 140 million monthly users and is growing by over 13 million new users each and every month. Oh wait, you probably do not know what Shazam does, do you? Okay, so in short, Shazam is a magical mobile app that recognizes music, TV and media around you. It's the best way to discover, explore and share the music that you love. All you have to do is place your smartphone near the device playing any song you like but don't know the name of. Let the app take about 5 seconds to analyze that sound, and then you get all the information that you need. And if you can't find the song that you're looking for, then too bad, I can't really help you there. Either way, this app is actually seriously amazing, and the awesome thing is that it's completely free. I've used this app so many times to find songs that I've heard but did not know the name of, and it's been so helpful. I guess this is more like a PSA for you guys, but if you haven't already downloaded the app, you can get it using the link in the description below. I'm not getting paid to do this, I just really find this app useful. Maybe this will become a monthly series on this channel, my favorite app of the month or something along those lines. But that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, learned anything new or just want more, feel free to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is released. Leave a like and comment your thoughts below. If you're feeling generous and want to help this channel out in producing better content, consider supporting this channel on Patreon. $1 goes a long way. The link is in the description. And with that said, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and I will be seeing you in the next video.